kitchen, very versatile kitchen, probably the best kitchen I've ever had in any camper, and I've had a few. The top shelf, it's got a couple of bins that are purpose built by Tommy campers, and they put them up here. They fall forward so you can access them easy. Things can fall out like that. Keep all my teas and cleaning materials and salt and pepper and things like that up the top. So that's the top shelf. Also the coffee. Next shelf down, I've got my little windbreak here that I couldn't live without. That's for when I'm cooking with the burner. Got the travel buddy, my sandwich maker, and all my pots stay on this side. So my billy, the milk boiler, and a spare burner in case something happens with this one. So that all stays on that second shelf. Third shelf down, fry pan, all my bits and pieces, plates, cups, dishes, that sort of thing, and any spares that I might need, paper towels. Next shelf down, the back shelf, that's got my breakfast, paper towels, the tea towels, all your bric-a-brac that you generally have in a kitchen. Down in this corner on Velcro, I've got 2 bags for my utensils. And then on the bottom floor, that's where my burner lives. With the gas bottle attached, it just slips straight in there. I've got my toaster. Couldn't be without my toaster. I've got the 240 volt inverter, so that, and there's plugs right behind the toaster there. So I can get up in the morning, plug it in, turn it on, and have nice toast for brekkie. Travel buddy, I've had the travel buddy, I've had a road chef, and I've had a kick-ass. They're all much of a muchness, they really are. The travel buddy is Australian made and built and sold. It's probably $10 or $15 dearer. That's why I've gone for the travel buddy this time, just to support Australia. One thing I did buy that's a bit extra is the deep dish baking tray, so I can do roasts, and I've got a couple of baking dishes that are flexible, very easy to clean, and I can do my pre-cooked meals in these. So they just store inside the oven on the shelves. That works very well.